Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be cash stuffing my second paycheck of May. If you like all things cash stuffing, probably go ahead and subscribe and like the video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, whoops, 51, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then 1, 2. Did I do that again? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Okay, so in this video, I will be cash stuffing $1,330. Okay, as usual, we're going to start with my personal binder. Fill the tank. I stuffed it with 35. I ended up actually spending $40 on gas, but it'll be made up when I pull out my funds. So I'm gonna set this in the back because I do pay for gas with my credit card, and I like to pay back my credit card as much as I can. And my funds, what do we have left? So my funds has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So I do believe I'm going to leave the 25 in my funds because I got a lot going on right now. So I am going to need to keep that in here, but I am going to send 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah, $11 to my credit card just to, pay back as much as I can. And then nothing was left in food or buffer. So to this 25, I'm going to be adding, oh wait, I always do this. I always just go right to my funds. Fill the tank is getting $40 because, yeah, I had to go up on this budget for my gas because $35 was just not cutting it. And I've been driving around a lot more lately due to just like some personal reasons. So, yeah, that 35 was not cutting it. Okay, now we're on my funds. And that will be getting 160. 20, 40, 60. So in my funds, we now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 85. So 185 now. And that is all for my personal binder. Oh my goodness, I just burped. So sorry. Now for my bill binder. Rent will be receiving $215. So 100, 210, and 15. So 215, and that's all that rent has. Car will be receiving $340. So now car has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80. 680. Car insurance will be getting 121, I believe. Yeah. So 121, and that's all it has in here. Phone will be receiving 50, and that's all it has in there. Dental will be receiving 67. So 20, 40, 60, 5, 6. I'm gonna save this nicer one for my challenge. Whoops, sorry. Bumping the camera. Wouldn't be my video if I didn't. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. Yep. Okay, so dental now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 135 is in dental. Personal debt will be receiving 200. Oh, that 100 is ripped. And that's all it has in there now. And subscriptions will be receiving 40. And that's all it has in there. Okay, and that is it for my bill binder. Okay, moving on to my sinking funds. I'm not stuffing much in here, but I did want to stuff something into my siblings category. Oops, did I pass it up? My siblings category. Oh my goodness, I'm not. My siblings category. And then, where is it at? Pre-vacation. So siblings will be receiving just $5 because that's all I can give it. But I at least want to give it something versus completely nothing. So in siblings, we now have 100, 20, 40, 45, 50. So 150. And then in pre-vacation, I'm going to be giving it, I'm going to give it $5 as well. These fives, like this one's no, honestly, that one's like more better than this. Or where's a good 5? Yeah, I'm just going to trade this out. Okay. So I'm adding 5 to this now. And in pre-vacation, we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. So 282 in pre-vacation now. And that is all my sinking funds will be receiving. Moving right along to the favorite part of the video, which is the saving challenges. We're going to go right into my monthly savings and finish out the month of May. So I'm going to set this binder aside. It's probably like out of the camera, but hopefully this is in the camera good. Left of May, I have Friday 22nd and then Friday 29th, because this is the Friday saving challenge. So every Friday you're supposed to save like the day of that Friday. So I'll be saving these two, which totaled $51. So I'm gonna get a 50 and a 1, and I'm going to add that into May. Oh, I'm sorry if you guys didn't see me like stuff that in there. I forgot I had it off to the side, but I did just put that into the May envelope. And now I'm just going to color in those last two, and I am officially done with May. I am really trying to stay on top of stuffing this monthly challenge, even when times get like a little bit rough or like tough for me, because I do want to have a decent amount saved going into the new year. It's almost like a treat to yourself, because you save over $800 with this challenge, and I'd be $800 more richer than I would have been had I not done this challenge at all, you know? So I do want to really stay on top of it. Okay, I think it's about dry now, so I will put this back, and that's all I'm stuffing into my monthly saving challenge. Last challenge I'm stuffing is my because every little bit adds up. I usually take out the because, and I'm like, every little bit adds up, because I think that's an actual saying. Every little bit adds up. I know everyone is missing the 100 envelope challenge, and I want to get back to stuffing this as soon as possible, but you guys, money is so tight being part-time, so I really want to stuff it, but it's just looking like that's not happening as of right now, not in the way I want it to. But I am stuffing other saving challenges to make sure that I'm still saving, because that's really important to me. Okay, I just realized I did it again. I didn't put this with the personal debt. Ugh, I forgot that last video too, and I had to go back and do it. So I'm gonna do that after I stuff this challenge here. So in the $1 saving challenge, I am adding $1. And that is bringing us up to $5 now, or $5 saved. All right, and in the $5 saving challenge, I am adding 1.5. And that is bringing us to $25 saved. In the $10 saving challenge, I am adding 110. So that is now $50 saved. I know that's kind of still wet. I'm gonna keep going. And lastly, in the $20 saving challenge, I am adding 120. So that is bringing us to, oh my gosh, $100 saved. Just by saving $20 every other week that I get paid, I've saved $100 so far. That's so crazy. Every little bit does add up, you guys. But that is it for this challenge. I'm going to go back to my bill binder here and add this money to my personal debt. And I don't know if you guys have caught on yet, but personal debt is basically my credit card that I have. I only have one credit card, but that credit card is very thick. So my personal debt is my credit card, and I make monthly payments on it, but I also try to add a little extra money so that I can pay it off or get close to paying it off as, quick as possible. So I am going to add all of this money to it. So now in personal debt, we actually have 100, 200, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. So $246. All right, you guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day or night, depending on when you're watching. And happy Memorial Day. Today is Saturday, so I think Memorial Day is on this upcoming Monday. So happy Memorial Day, you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, like, even leave a comment. And yeah, that's it. Bye.